What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Orlando Coupon Queen, and it is the day after Christmas, my favorite holiday. For clearance shoppers, it's a holiday. Anyways, I'm at Walmart. We have officially 50% off Christmas clearance. I will be heading over to Walmart, and then I'm thinking about going to Target because I did hear that Target is 70% off. I'm at a local Walmart. I came here because my favorite Walmart, they're usually like a small Walmart, so this Walmart is a lot bigger. They should have a lot more stuff. I haven't been to this Walmart in a while, so I don't know what their Christmas was looking like. We can expect a whole bunch of 50% off gift sets, which I will tell you guys what to buy and what not to buy, because honestly, everybody likes to buy everything off at 50% off instead of waiting, when I like to buy like gift sets at 50% off, like razor gift sets, bath body gift sets, and like all that other stuff. Now, as far as like decor, Christmas decor, I like to buy that at like 70 to 90% off, because it's just like stuff that, you know, we're gonna maybe like throw away. I don't know if you throw it away, but sometimes I do throw it away because I got it so cheap. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out what we can find at this Walmart. And it's early, you guys. I woke up early today. Who does that? Shy doesn't do that. But let's see what we can find. Remember what I showed you guys and what I taught you guys, to always check the end caps. So this one here has like no Christmas decor on it at all, but people are walking right by it thinking that it is $9.88. But guess what? This is actually $4.95. So $5. Look how big this thing. These are the big bottles. This one bottle I believe is like $6 alone. So $5 for this big old set. Okay, like I said, gift sets like these are definitely a great buy. Now, I don't really use this for my hair, but I will sometimes use it for my daughter's hair, whatever. So this whole 3-piece set, only $5. Yes, it's coming with me. Also, don't forget things like these, this little display thing. It says home for the holidays. The little box does have like a little snowflakes, and these are only $4.99. So they retail to $9.98 and they're only $4.99. Comes with all this stuff here. Here's another section that everybody's just like not focused on. Everybody's just focused on other things, but this whole section here is 50% off. So these here show $4.98 and they're only $2.50. These are great like stocking stuffers for like next year. These are about $7.50. And then there was a couple here. This one is also on clearance. I didn't check the price of this one though, but this furniture section here, everybody's more focused on over there versus the little hidden sections over here. So pay attention to those type of sections. Now we are at the actual Christmas section. So the reason why I picked this store is because their whole garden center is Christmas stuff. So all this stuff is 50% off. Again, candles, stuff like that I won't normally get at 50% off, but it looks like a lot of people are shopping after the Christmas holidays, so I might grab one or two. Also, Christmas trees are 50% off. If you're lucky to find them at like 90% off, then I would wait. This store kind of has a lot, but I just bought a Christmas tree this past Christmas, so I'm not gonna buy one. But if you guys are in need, check your local Walmart. Again, like I mentioned, your best bet to buy at 50% off right now is these razors. So any Bic razors, Venus razors, Gillette razors, any razor gift set or bath and body set that you guys find, buy it. This one here is only $5. It was normally $10. So yeah, $5. Definitely a great buy. These Nesquiks are also only like about $4 and some change. Great deal. Comes with syrup, 2 spoons, and 2 cups. So this is super cute, especially if you like save it for like next year. $5 for a cute little gift. Yes, I would buy this. More gift sets over here, $9.88, but they're $5. This one is $7 over here, another $7 one. There's a lot of gift sets. I'm not finding any of the women's razors. I'm finding a lot of men's razors, so I need to go check in the women's section. But this one here is $8, $10, and then of course some cookies that my daughter already grabbed. These Yankee candle wax warmers, I think they're cheap, but remember we found them for like $2 or $1.50 in my other store. This one here is a really great buy because it is only $7.50, plus it includes a $3 voucher for a full-size cologne, which I think the colognes here are maybe $15, so you get another $3 off, so to say. I don't know, but this is also a good buy. Comes with a lot of stuff. A lot of full-size items for only $7. As far as Christmas lights, they're 50% off, but I always wait until they're 90% off because they always have a lot left. No need in buying them at 50% off because, as you can see here, everybody has the same exact idea. Don't buy them now. Buy them later, like a lot later. This was everything that I found in the Christmas... Oh, no, that's a lie. That's not everything I found in the Christmas section. This is everything I found in the regular section. I found this in the Christmas section. I'm getting it now only because it was the last one, and I'm a huge Disney fan. So this is $8, which is not bad, but I'm only getting it because it was the last one. There was a whole bunch of the other styles, but this was like the very last one. And then these, of course, were in the regular section. I'm going to go ahead and hit the regular aisles and try to see if I can find anything that's like Christmassy. Honestly, like that up there on the top shelf is most likely Christmas, but we will find out. Exactly what I said. So this one here is already $12.50. This I wouldn't buy now. I would kind of wait, but it is like the last one. But like I said, it is on the top shelf. That's why I always tell you guys to check your top shelves. Over by the clearance section, there's some stuff that I did not see in the regular Christmas aisle. Now these I love grabbing. This here is $4.94 for all three of them, so it's definitely not a bad buy because one bottle alone is about $4 itself. Usually I like to stock up on these, but these are always the first to go. Always. Every store that I go to, these are always the first to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. This is the only one that I found. I'm a little upset, but it is what it is. Everything else here, there's just some stuff hidden here and there. It's all 50% off. And then there is some baby clearance. Baby clearance typically happens around February, so be on the lookout. Looks like this is on their first part of their markdowns, but you can find these really, really, really cheap. So I am trying to look for those Dove sets and more body wash sets, and I cannot find them. I will probably head over to another Walmart just to see, just in case. Most likely the store probably just sold out during the holidays, but also don't forget to check like sections like in the clothing, because there is like a lot of holiday typed clothing, which most likely is also 50% off. I did find a couple little housewares with like snowflakes on them that they were also 50% off, so don't forget to check those sections there. Clothing, like I said, and small housewares. So I'm going to another Walmart. I'll let you guys know.